guys, it's me, ESTHER JIAHUI. Welcome back, and today we'll be doing DIY phone cases. As you may know that in 2017, I've done a DIY dried flower phone case. So in 2018, I felt that we should at least have a new phone case too. And why not have 3 of them? So without further ado, let's get started! This phone case was actually inspired by this design, and I felt that this design can actually be drawn on ourselves too. I use darkfont.com for all my fonts inspiration. There are different fonts to choose from in these categories. For me, I like the handwritten one. Click onto the preview box and type your name inside. I especially like this font called Shoreline Script. Do make sure that it states free for personal use, so it can be used for DIY projects like this. Arrange it the way you like the words to be on your phone and screen capture it. Next, go onto the setting and save the image as your wallpaper. Then, use a tape to cover the words and trace them over. Paste the tape onto the back of your phone and cover it with your phone case. Then, trace it over again, and you are done! This phone case was inspired by basically all unicorns, and I also love the color combinations of both pink and blue. Start by tracing out the shape of your phone and using some pink, baby pink and blue acrylic paint. I start from the bottom, then slowly work my way up and blend the both colors together. There's a short time lapse of my whole process. I googled some unicorn eyes and start by using a pencil to draw over it, because I didn't want to screw up my design. Then using a marker to go over it. And now pop the paper back into the phone case and you are done! (2018) is all about marbling. So how can a marbling phone case be missed out? Use a bowl of warm water and pour some nail polish onto it. Honestly, it didn't really turn out as expected, so it was kind of fail. So I washed off the top layer of the nail polish. However, the bottom has this marbling pastel effect, which I really like. So I'll move on from there. It also reminds me that in life, it doesn't always go according to how you want it to be. It's how you view your situation and make the best out of what you already have. So keep going, guys! I added some stickers which says faith to remind myself to always have faith. Next, add on a layer of Mark Patch to seal in the whole design and you are done! I quite like the whole design though. So thank you guys for watching and staying till the end. You guys are awesome. And if you have other video suggestions you want me to make, do leave them in the comment sections down below. And also, if you enjoy what you have just watched, do give me a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more DIY videos, do hit on to the subscribe button down below. So till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye!